Bring yourself into a comfortable position, either sitting on the floor, in a chair, or lying down. Starting from the top of your head, begin to notice how your body feels. Soften your face. Relax any lines in your forehead. Release your jaw. Open and close your mouth. Rock your head from side to side. Let this movement feel nourishing. Take your time. We're in no rush. Use this time to unwind. Bring space between your teeth. Draw your shoulders away from your ears. Relax your palms, either face down or face up on your knees. Notice your glutes and thighs. If they're tight, gently release them. Soften the bottom of your feet and the spaces between your toes. Now, notice your breath. Is it soft, light, deep? Perhaps it's exaggerated. No quality is better or worse than the other. Your breath is what it is, and that is just fine. Place your left palm over your belly button. Now rest your right hand on top of your left. Feel your hands as they move in unison with your breath. Gently seal your lips and through your nose, begin to inhale through your palms. Then exhale. Inhale, feel your belly inflate into your palms. Now hold your breath as you transition from the inhale to the exhale. Breathe out, feel your belly soften. Now hold your breath at the end of your exhale. Inhale, breathe into the lowest part of your belly. Hold it. Exhale, let it go. Hold your breath. Inhale. Hold it. Exhale, release. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Hold it. Let your breath go. Hold it. Now continue on your own. Feel your body as it begins to drop into a deeper relaxation with every round of your breath that you take. Allow your breathing to be slow and nourishing. Each inhale is soothing. Every exhale allows you to release a little bit of what is not serving you. Throughout our day, we aren't aware of our breath, but taking a few minutes each day to be in tune with this sensation, not only does it have nourishing effects that will help us throughout our day, but also as we move through our weeks and months to come. Take one more round of your breath. After your final hold, gently bring your palms back down to your thighs or wherever else feels comfortable for you. I'd like for you to think of one small thing in your life that has annoyed you recently. Something small and insignificant. It could be the last time you were running late for an appointment, when a family member threw their clothes onto the ground next to the hamper, or something else that is small. Recall what about that event annoyed you. Was it because things were out of your control? Did it affect the rest of your day? Did it annoy you because of how you were treated by someone else? What happened to your body as you were annoyed? Did you stop breathing? Did your body create heat in a specific area? What was your mind like? What thoughts entered into your mind? How long did the thoughts linger? Allow all the emotions that you created in this situation, feel them in your body now. Feel them in your heart, your mind, your shoulders, your glutes, stomach. Feel them all. When we practice the art of letting go while in our meditation practice, it allows for us to harness and fine-tune our skills of non-attachment or parigraha. Breath and gratitude are both our anchor for our mind, but also our remedy for anger. I'm not going to tell you to let go of your anger. Letting go is easier said than done. Instead, I like to think of it as loosening our mental grip onto whatever we're holding on to. Now place your hands on your heart. I'd like for you to think of something, whether it be a person, place, thing, or pet that you're grateful for. List all the reasons that you're grateful for it. Allow this gratitude to radiate as a dark pink color in your chest or heart space. How does this person, place, thing, or pet make you feel? Allow the pink to begin to radiate throughout your chest. Now think of another thing that you're grateful for. Perhaps it's your cup of coffee in the morning, how meditation makes you feel, your body's ability to move, hobbies that bring you joy. Continue to list off everything that comes to your mind. Feel the pink light as it fills the rest of your body. Feel your body as gratitude washes over it. Allow the gratitude to seep into every cell, into every part of your being. Your breath and your gratitude are here for you always. Every inhale that we take, we give our body nourishment and love. Each exhale, we loosen our grip on any anger that we're holding on to. Living day to day, moments and times of anger will come up. It's okay. We are human, and life is extremely challenging right now. It's okay to feel. Feeling our feelings has the power to heal us. Just like with our meditation, when we're moving about our day-to-day life, when we've become distracted, we have the ability to come back to our breath. Our breath is our anchor that keeps us grounded when the waves of life turn into a storm. When the waves of life turn into anger, we can use gratitude as our anchor. Gently bring your awareness back into your breath. Notice your chest as it rises and falls. Feel your belly as it fills and as it decompresses. begin to wiggle your toes. Move your fingertips. Softly flicker your eyes open whenever you are ready. Thank you for taking the time to meditate with me. I am so grateful for you. Until next time.